Hello everyone. Today I've got a quick update on recent developments in Amazon merch and potential price throttling or profit capping. Sellers are experiencing what appears to be restrictions on the price you're able to sell your standard shirts, pullover hoodies, and zip hoodies for. According to the Amazon Merch on Demand Services Agreement, Amazon has a sole discretion to determine price, availability, distribution channels, and terms of sale for the products, along with other discretions. This means they are totally able to limit or cap the price you can sell your products for. These restrictions on pricing are more severe outside the United States marketplace, from the UK, Germany, and others. If you're selling standard t-shirts in the UK, the maximum allowed price is now £17.49, resulting in a profit of £3.57. Compare that to a potential price of £25.99, offering a profit of £9.19. As you can see, you can't submit your designs if it doesn't adhere to these lower prices. In the US marketplace, you can still set a maximum price of $34.99, securing a profit of $15.98. I personally have never sold or tried to sell a shirt at this price. I just find it too high. In Germany, the profit cap for standard t-shirts is now €19.99, allowing for a maximum profit of €3.96. It appears that the profit cap for the standard shirt hovers under $4 now in Europe. Now let's talk about pullover hoodies. In the US, the maximum allowed price is $35.99, granting a profit of $7.90. However, in the UK, the limit is £33.99, yielding a profit of £5.36. And in Germany, the cap is €38.99, allowing for a profit of €6.24. It seems like they are consistently capping profits under $6 for hoodies in all marketplaces but the US. So there are many questions surrounding this price throttling and whether it is simply a bug. It can be something related to the recent addition of phone cases to the UK and 4 other international marketplaces. It may get fixed and may go away soon. Or are these price caps more permanent? Why would Amazon want to cap the profit that we can make? In the past, they have throttled the amount of uploads you can have in a day, but not the price in this way they are doing it. Some are saying perhaps too many sellers were increasing their prices too high and too fast. Share your experiences with this and opinions in the comments, along with liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.